ladies and gentlemen. Got the compressor all wired up. Took an old floor mat, sliced her up. Get my pads, my feet, I assume that side. Got my drain over there. Got my 220 master switch, starter. There we go. Let's try it out. Now I have to adjust the belt, so it's gonna be a little flopsy mopsy. So brace yourself. Now we'll do a test and see how long it takes and how high a pressure I get before it kicks out. Stand by. Alright, here we go. So there you go. $110 to $150, 5 minutes, 21 seconds. So I think it's pretty good. I don't know. You guys give me some feedback on that. I'm gonna check the temp on this thing here. I'm 43. $38, $39, $79. Huh. Well, that's cool. I'm gonna try this. Try this again. My battery died. So it seems to work out pretty good. It doesn't rock around that much. Get this. Runs good. It's nice and quiet, boy, compared to that other one. I got a question now. When you guys do your oil change, do you go to here or do you fill it all the way up the glass? Yeah. Let's see, about a quart of this stuff, and I don't know if this is going to be enough or what, but got some synthetic at the hardware store. Alright guys, later. Now, as far as the piping goes, I'm going to come out here with the flexible hose, attach it up here, and probably put a regulator on there. I'm going to run it over that way. I'll bring it over here. Probably going to run over like this. And then I'll have a area down here so I can drain it off for moisture. I'm going to run it up, up, and over. Then I'm going to come down over here. Then I'll have it tee off right here, and I'll have another drain down here, a blow off area, or whatever you call it. Then I'll probably do a manifold over here, up and down here a few times. I'll probably have a couple more drains down here too, so I can really clean it up, dry it up. And I'll have a plug-in over here that I'll mount for tires and crap like that outside. And my garage is a freaking disaster. I'm gonna go over above my door, and I'll come down over there, wherever that retractable jobby is, and I'll put my filters over there and stuff. And whenever I get back to painting, that's where I'll tap off on that. So yeah, I'm gonna go with the copper. I know I could go black steel and be a lot cheaper, but it is what it is. So I mentioned using PVC, and you know what? If I had its own little room for this thing, where there'd be nothing around it, you know, that would bump it, it might be tempting, but I don't know. I'm not gonna go that route. I'm just gonna buy a couple pipes every payday. I'll get her done here pretty soon. Alright everyone, later.